Hi friends, it's Victor Costa, Peace, Love, and Muscles. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to go over the fundamentals of a concentration curl and the do's and don'ts. Unfortunately, when I go into the gym, this is often what I see. It is a tragedy of dramatic proportions. It is absolutely horrible. Seriously. This is a waste of your time. Whenever I see body action and body English and everything, moving the weights up and using every muscle except the intended muscle group, you are wasting your time, which is extremely valuable. You've got about an hour to train. I know you do because you're busy. Stop doing this stuff. Now, try to focus on the muscle. Bodybuilding is about deleveraging. It's about taking the strongest muscles out of the movement and putting the intended muscle group in there. And the way you do this is very simply. It's by not using all of the other supporting cast, if you will. So very simple. Try to maintain a very, very strict form with this. Now, I'm going to tell you about some of the nuances of it that I like to focus on. And one would think that I am flexing the muscle independent of the weight. I'm not. What I'm doing here is keeping a very light hand on that dumbbell, meaning that I'm not absorbing the energy in my hands or my forearms or my wrists and trying to really just allow the energy to flow into the bicep. I'm doing that two ways. Number one, by keeping the hand relaxed, like I said. Number two, keeping very strict posture. And number three, extending my arm all the way down. And what I'm not doing is missing the greatest part of the exercise, the part where the muscle actually engages. And this happens when your arm is completely extended, your hand is relaxed, and there is this gesture, if you will, right before you're moving the weight up. It's almost like gesturing as if you're going to do it without pulling. And in that little area, in that little space, that second, is where the connection is made. And what's happening is I'm maintaining that connection throughout the entire exercise. So you can easily do this, right? You can just extend your arm, relax your hand, and gesture as if you're going to move the weight up without moving the weight up. And that's when you'll feel the body connecting. That's when you'll feel your bicep connecting. Once you feel that, try to maintain that connection and then move the weight up throughout the entire movement while maintaining that connection. So there's no reason to flex. It's maintaining this connection that you achieve at the very beginning of the exercise when the arm is extended, and then you move up. That's it. So try to slow things down. Try to use a little bit of a lighter weight. Try not to move the body. If you have to video yourself so that you can see whether or not you are in a fixed position or if your body is moving around. If you can't tell, just set up a little video or have a friend do it for you. But like I said, the trick is really just the extension, a complete extension with a hand that's relaxed. That way you can really pick up the energy of the weight into the bicep, gesture as if you're going to pull without pulling, and then as you're coming up, try not to get the rep over with very, very quickly. Try to, like I say, have an argument with gravity as you complete the repetition. Just don't try to say one and think you did a good job. Everybody can do reps. It's the quality of the reps. When you're natural, you're only working with your body and the food that you eat. You don't have all the other support that a drug athlete would have. So you've got to train smarter. You've got to make those connections. You've got to get in touch with your body. And that's the very beginning of really being successful as a natural bodybuilder. And by the way, just so you know, a lot of drug bodybuilders actually watch what I'm doing and also incorporate that work into their exercise, and they would benefit too. So we're talking about body mechanics. But when you're natural and you want to make goals and gains, you have to just train smarter. So it's all about connecting to the body, being in tune with your body. And of course, guys, I wish you all the best and good health. Stay natural. Peace, love, and muscles. Love you all. Thanks so much for the likes, shares, and comments. Please subscribe, ding the little bell at the bottom, and also say hello on Instagram. It's at Vicsnatural, and say hello on Facebook. It's at Vicsnatural. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. If you'd like to see some of the bodybuilding programs I offer, go to Vicsnatural.com or click in the description box of this video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.